Cut to size, understanding this handy phrase in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might have heard or read: cut to size. This phrase is not only interesting but also quite useful in various contexts. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Firstly, let's break down the literal meaning of cut to size. This phrase is often used in a physical, tangible context. Imagine you have a piece of material, like wood, fabric, or paper. When you cut it to size, you are trimming or shaping it so that it fits a specific measurement or space. It's about customizing something to fit exactly where or how it's needed. Now, let's explore the more figurative use of cut to size. In everyday speech, this phrase can take on a metaphorical meaning. When someone is said to be cut to size, it often implies that they are being brought down to a more appropriate level, especially if they are perceived as being too arrogant or overconfident. It's like saying someone has been humbled or their excessive pride has been reduced. To understand cut to size better, let's see some examples. 1. Literal: the carpenter cut the wood to size to fit the frame perfectly. 2. Figurative: after boasting about his skills, the new team member was cut to size when he couldn't fulfill his promises. Notice how in the first example, it's about physically altering something, while in the second, it's about adjusting someone's attitude or perception. When using cut to size, remember, in literal situations, it often involves actual cutting or adjusting of materials. In figurative speech, use it to describe someone being humbled or corrected. It's a versatile phrase, but make sure the context is clear to avoid confusion. Thank you for watching our video on cut to size. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and ideas they convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.